Hello, and welcome back to Clarementis Tips and Tricks. Today, we're going to be looking at modifying your notification method in your intranet. There are a few options for your notification method, whether you would like it to come internally or send out via email. We can modify this directly from our notifications on the top bar by selecting the settings wheel, or you can go through your communications application. If I'm going through my communications application, I simply go down to settings on the left-hand side. From here, I can modify my default notification method to have it in system message only, copy out to my email, just send to my email, or sent out in a daily, weekly, or monthly digest. For these three options, they will be pulled daily, weekly, or monthly, and then sent out via email.